up, guys? We're back with another video. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but honestly, this video was requested by one of my followers on TikTok. So I felt bad. He's like, you haven't posted in a while, please vlog this place. And so I'm doing that for you guys pretty much today. So I know I haven't been active. The main reason why is sorry, I'm driving on the canyon and I have to pay attention to the road. But basically, I've been very busy. I've been working a lot, and I've been very busy with TikTok. You know, TikTok is starting to pay me now decent amount of money, you know, for not much work I have to do. And then that's another reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube. You know, being busy, working a lot, and also YouTube has just been very complicated. They haven't paid me. You know, I was supposed to get paid since last year, and they keep making it complicated. Something about a PIN number, or you know, they have to send you a PIN number to your house to start getting paid. And I have some money in there, not a lot, but still, you know, like, it doesn't motivate me when they make the process so complicated. Like, TikTok just pays you on your PayPal and calls it a day, but YouTube is way more complicated, so it's not motivating me to do more YouTube. But honestly, if you really do want me to be active, I'll be honest with you, you kind of have to push me and just comment and let me know down below what kind of videos you want me to post. Like, you know, Viper update, Hellgato build update, and stuff like that. Any ideas you guys have in mind, just comment down below, and I promise I'll start being more active for you guys. So we're about to head out to the Orange County Cars and Coffee in San Clemente, California. So we'll be vlogging that place. We're driving to Hellgato. We're gonna get some reactions, so should be fun. Might be going down to San Diego too after that with a friend of mine, so stay tuned. It looks like we are safe. You know what that means. Safe to get on it. Alright, now let's head out to the show. Is that a Supra? There's all kinds of cars. Oh my god, this is just the guys parked on the side. Okay. Oh, Viper. Oh, I think I know this guy. Let's go check it out. Alright, we just got here with Jonathan Backcats or Backgato. We're gonna walk around. Let's do it. Well, that's a bag clean AMG S2000. Oh, we're pulled 5.0. Cute little snack. Just kidding.
Full carbon fiber.
Alright. Oh, that's that new, what do you call it? It's an electric car by Volvo, right? Oh, there's two of them. Ford GT, Ferrari, and classic Viper. A bunch of Raris. Oh, where? Oh, that's the original Cobra. And then this is a Dodge Viper with heads and cam package plus nitrous by ANC. It sounds good and it's fast. It's probably one of the fastest cars in the show right here. More exotics. Ooh, look at that ACR. I think that's the guy from Temecula. Or maybe not, it's a GTSR. Ooh, this is nice. Dodge Viper GTSR with the exterior carbon package. Very nice. Very nice. Again? Is that a Supra? Damn, whose car is that? Oh, psych. It's us. So we pulled up, and this Lexus pulled up next to us. And if you guys know me, you know I love Lexus. And just look at this thing. Beautiful. I think this is called an RCA, if I'm not mistaken. V8. Recaro seats. Cage. Carbon. Wide body. Bag. Oh, that diffuser though. See, that's all you have to do. Just pop it open. There it is. Toxic Garage Wide Body C8. I'm sure you guys have seen this around. Anybody want to buy that? The VW buses. A Ford bus? What? Never seen one of those. We got the Qs. Yeah, Dodge Ram. Bald. Ooh, classic Stingray. I think that's an RX-7. Wow, look at the tires on this thing. What the hell is this thing right here? I don't even know what that is. Ooh. Oh yeah. The Chrysler Prowler? You don't see those often. Ah, this is the OG Benz, the Boss style. Oh, there you go. GTRs. A Mermaid McLaren. Vets. Bunch of snacks, if you guys know. Shelby's. Got a classic GTR here. Oh my goodness. Is that a Dodge Demon? Oh no, it's a Skyline. Now we're talking. And it's for sale. 340 Challenger. 1970 maybe? Or 72, 3. Imagine parking this next to Hellgato. Now we're walking into all the muscle. Got a GTO SS. What is that? And you got a Mustang. Yeah, it's the motherfucking Hellman, baby. Now that's a Sienna I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Guys, should I do this to my Sienna? Wow, custom interior. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. It's more luxurious than a Rolls Royce.
No, look at this.
And it's bagged. That thing, I forgot how low it is. Custom diffuser. Oh my goodness. The brakes. Wide body. Bagged BMW. I don't know about the camber though. It would have been so much cleaner if it wasn't cambered. Another cambered. Oh god. Ooh, look at that Pontiac. That's nice. Another Lexus. The Hellcat of Chevys. Sounds good. The Cam dope. What is that? Wait. Oh, it's a Rolls Royce.
Yeah, that's a good story.
Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's probably in the millions. Got a bunch of classic muscle right here. So many cars. What's up, Nate? Just kidding. Alfa Romeo. Oh, Hellcat. Oh shit, look who it is. Scat pack sounds good. It's on some bags. Hellgato getting some attention, I guess.
When he parks, he lowers it.
Quick gas station break. Already left the show. Time to get some more E85. I should get some more too. Alright guys, well, we just made it home. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys have any questions or suggestions on what the next video should be, please comment down below. Let me know. And like and subscribe and share this video with a friend if you want to support this channel. So thanks for all the love and support, and peace out.